Next topic, we are going to discuss about the latent heat. Latent heat means hidden heat. It is a hidden heat. So you know that heat is absorbed by a solid during the melting point. If you keep the ice cube on your palm, then what will happen? The ice starts melting. From where that ice cube get heat? From our palm. Firstly, it absorbs that very heat from this portion of the palm and absorb into it and release the heat. So after that, after removing the heat, this ice cube, then we will feel the coolness. So that means, what is that? That is the latent heat. So that is called as latent heat. Heat is absorbed by a solid during melting, and equal amount of heat is liberated by the liquid during the freezing. Same way, so when we put the water for freezing in the freezer, refrigerator freezer, so that very heat it can release and absorb the same coldness and become a freeze. So heat is absorbed by the liquid during vaporization, and equal amount of heat is liberated by the vapor during the condensation without showing any change in temperature. There is no change in temperature. And when liquid to gas, there is a vaporization, or gas to liquid, that is a condensation. There is no change in temperature. That is very important. So when you write this definition, must write without change in temperature, because latent heat is that which can change but without change in temperature, which change the state. State can be changed but without change the temperature. That word should be there in your answer. So because that is a specific word. Now latent heat heat energy absorbed or liberated in a change of phase is not externally manifested by rising or falling in temperature is called latent heat. When expressed in unit, that is a specific latent heat, because we are specifying some material, that is the specific latent heat. So its formula is L is equal to Q upon M, or ML, liquid. When any material is a liquid, so then you can use Q is equal to ML. What is L? Latent heat. That means liquid. When any material is liquid, then mass into directly liquid we can use. So SI unit of specific heat is, we are having a calorie gram inverse. Calorie gram inverse, or U kg inverse. So specific heat of fusion of ice is the heat energy required to melt unit of a mass of ice at 0 degree Celsius to water at 0 degree Celsius without any change in temperature. There is no change in temperature when the mass of ice at 0 degree Celsius to water at 0 degree Celsius it convert. So students, for pure substance, specific latent heat of freezing is same as the specific latent heat of fusion. One is fission, one is fusion. Fission means split, fusion means combined. So when the states are combined, that is the fusion. Fish, as I gave you the example in the lower classes also, like the tomato when comes under the tire, it split, fish janda hai, that is fission. Okay, then contact, इकट्ठा होना, so जो इकट्ठा था, fused, so that is a fusion. Okay, so for specific latent heat of fusion is 336,000, that means 3,36,000. So it means 1 kg of ice at 0 degree Celsius absorb 3,36,000 joules of heat energy to convert into water at 0 degree Celsius. Sometimes they can ask, what is the meaning of this latent heat of fusion is 336,000 joule kg inverse. What does it mean? So this meaning you have to explain. So 1 gram of water at 0 degree Celsius has 336 joule heat energy more than the 1 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius. So rest all are the explanations of natural consequence of the high specific latent heat. So students, in this chapter more reasonable questions are there. Why the snow on mountain does not melt at all once? These reasons are there. So reason is this: ice has a high specific latent heat of fusion, that is 3,36,000 joule kg inverse. Due to fact, change in water slowly as it gets heat energy from the sun. So if latent heat of ice had been low, then snow will melted within a short time, and there may be a flood. There is a chance of the flood in the river and no water after that. So in cold countries, water in lakes and ponds does not freeze at all once. You know that. So same reason, specific latent heat of fusion of ice is sufficiently high. So in first three lines, this region should be there. Now, why it is generally more cold after the hailstorm than during or before the hailstorm? The reason is that the hailstorm ice absorbed by the heat required for the melting point from the absorbing, because that ice can absorb the heat from the surrounding, so that temperature from the surrounding falls further down and we feel cold. So students, by this topic this chapter got over, and you all have to note down the examples on your copy, because these numericals are very important, and I hope that 4 marks question you will get in the section A part and section B part also. So these all numericals you have to note down on the fair copy, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so for the previous part also some numericals are there. So these numericals you have to try to solve. So then only we will able to solve these numericals. So this numerical we will not skip. We cannot skip this, because this questions will or as well as the numericals you will get in the ICSE. So thank you. Try to understand the topic, read the topic thoroughly and understand it. So thank you.